My name is Joshua Johnson. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm 35 years old, and I'm addicted to geocaching. Geocaching is a high-tech treasure hunt where people use GPS-enabled devices to find caches or treasures all over the world. I remember the very first geocache that I ever found. The moment I found it, I freaked out, and I knew at that moment I needed more.
My name is Terry Johnson, and Joshua is my husband. Ever since he started geocaching, Joshua just doesn't pay any attention to me, and sometimes I think the only way that he is going to notice me is if I hide myself in the woods and give him the coordinates to come find me. Josh, where are the plastic storage containers? I'm trying to pack the kids' lunches. You know what? This has just really gotten out of control.
You don't understand! I live and breathe geocaching. It's the first thing I think of when I wake up and the last thing I think of before I go to bed. Every time I go shopping, all I see is things that I can turn into geocaches. I go down one aisle and I see one thing, and then I go down another aisle and I see something else. And don't even get me started on the places that you can buy ammo cans.
Recently, Dad's always wanted to go to the park with us.
We were going for a hike, and there happened to be a geocache there, so I left. It was only 0.8 of a mile off of the trail. Besides, I was coming back.
We waited at the car for 2 hours.
If you're gonna hide a cache, you need great swag. The best swag is kids' meals toys.
Now Dad always wants me to get the kids' meals. It's not enough food.
I got your kids' meal. Here it is.
Hey, where's my toy? My dad's always trying to take my toys.
I have my phone set to ding every time a cache is published. And when I hear that ding on my phone, my blood starts to boil because I have an opportunity to be first to find. I must be first to find, and nobody is going to stop me.
Yeah! Woo! First to find! Yeah, in your face!
I can't believe he hit me for a first to find. Who does that?
Yeah, Justin beat me there, but the urge to be first to find, it took over. Besides, it'll heal.
Josh and I used to go caching all the time together, but lately he's changed. It was obvious that Josh needed help. We knew just the person to call.
Lately, we've been getting some really unusual calls from a guy named Joshua in Minnesota.
And normally we would welcome calls and feedback, but with Joshua, it was getting a little excessive. That's why we were really glad when his friend Justin called us.
Right, and believe me, we are more than happy to help out.
Joshua, somebody needs to talk to you.
What'd you do? Hello?
Hey, yeah, Joshua, this is Sonny from Podcacher.
Hey, Sonny. I have a milestone to call in.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Well, I know how you dislike light pole caches so much, so the last time I found one, I smashed it.
Yeah, that's why I'm calling. Joshua, your friends and family have been a little concerned that your geocaching's getting a little out of control.
How is that even possible?
Yeah. Joshua, it's fun to find as many caches as you can and to reach milestones, but it's not about the numbers, buddy. It's geocaching is about the places and about the things that you experience. And most importantly, it's about the people that you experience it with.
You are so right, Sonny. I need to appreciate all geocaches, even LPCs.
Whoa, let us slow down there, Tex. Don't get too carried away now.
Thanks, Sonny, and thanks for all your help.
No problem. And just remember, keep on caching.
Dad's back! My toys are back!
Since the phone call, things with Josh have been so much better. Honey, I need to run a few errands.